RSI 14 is 80 and the stock is currently not being overbought or oversold. High volatility in American Battery Metals Corporation stock price on Thursday, which ended trading at $1.40, updated on December 31, 2020, buy or hold candidate since November 24, 2020 gained 766.87%. The American Battery Metals Corporation stock price fell by -3.05% on the last day, Thursday, December 31, 2020, from $1.44 to $1.40. And has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the day the stock fluctuated 11.36% from a day low at $1.32 to a day high of $1.47. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 418.52% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -977,000 shares and in total, 6 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $8.82 million. The stock lies in the upper part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $1.58 will firstly indicate a stronger rate of rising. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 112.76% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between 76 cents and $3.36 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast. The American Battery Metals Corporation stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $1.36 and 46 cents. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 29, 2020, and so far it has fallen -9.68%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Support, risk and stop loss. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.32 and $1.17. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, American Battery Metals Corporation finds support just below today's level at $1.32. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $1.17 and $1.08. $1.32, $1.40, $1.44. The stock may move very much during a day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. The stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 15 cents between high and low, or 11.36%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 21.09%. Our recommended stop loss, $1.32, -5.40%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 2 days ago. Is American Battery Metals Corporation stock a buy?